Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicolene and today I have a new video for you guys. Today I'll be doing another unboxing for my beauty subscription with Allure. So this is the June beauty box. So this is the box that was shipped out to me. Yeah, I'm super excited for the Allure beauty box. Like I said, the first box I received for me, I got it through Amazon. So now I went and I signed up on the Allure official site and I got this June one from them. Yeah, so we're gonna go in and we're gonna start this video. We're gonna see what we get for June with our Allure box. If you guys don't know what Allure is, it is a monthly subscription box where you get makeup, skincare, perfume, a whole bunch of stuff, and you pay $15. So yeah, with the Allure beauty box, you pay $15 a month. It's about $110 for the products combined. You get 5 products per month, at least 2 full-size products. All these products are selected and choose from Allure's editors and stuff like that. They give you this nice pamphlet and they just tell you why they choose this product, why they love it. And for this month, the idea about it is Brighter Day. So I'm guessing like brightening and nourishing your skin are why you're receiving these products. As a new member, you receive a new member gift and you receive free shipping. So that's really cool. That's really awesome. So we're gonna jump into the box and we're gonna see what we have. So the first thing that we have, I'm gonna use this little pamphlet. Oh yeah, these pamphlets are really cool because they give you like coupon codes. They tell you like, oh, like the reason why they choose this and stuff like that, information on the product. So the first thing is this skin oil, I think. I'm sorry, it's a 2-step oil sheet mask. So that's cool. It's like at the bottom of the box, so we'll go ahead and get to that. I've never heard of anything like this. This is from the brand Starskin. So yeah, it's nourishing and brightening mask. I never heard of anything like this. Like, it's just is really cool. So you would use the oil capsule and then you apply the sheet mask for about 15 minutes, and you should be able to nourish your skin with the oil and brightening it. So this is really cool. I never heard of like a sheet mask where you use oil. So this is really cool. I can't wait to use this. So we're gonna move on to the next thing. The next thing that I have is this cream. It's the Belif, the True Cream, Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera cream. Oh yeah, so the price for this sheet mask is actually $10. You could get it from starskin.com. So yeah. So yeah, this is the Belif in truth, the truth cream, whatever. It's Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera. Some good stuff in there. Like it says, it's dermatologist tested. It says apply evenly to face and neck for external use only. Avoid direct contact with eyes. Keep out of reach of kids. So yeah, this is a cream. This is what it looks like to the top, and this is one of the sample size product that they provide in the, I'm trying to get you guys, in the kit. I'm gonna open it up. Okay, it smells like aloe vera. It's just like, ooh, okay. This is really hydrating. Like it feels so hydrating. Like, look at that. Wow. Oh my god, it feels so smooth. It just feels like you're rubbing water on your skin. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's so hydrating. And it smells like aloe vera. Oh my gosh. That feels so soft and smooth. So yeah, if like I have like really dry skin one day because of whatever, definitely will be going and reach in for this because it's so hydrating. It's like you apply water to your skin. Oh my goodness. And this retails for $38. You can get it off of Sephora. So yeah, this is some really good cream. If you are struggling with a dry skin, dry patches, definitely go try this. It definitely looks like it will do the job. So this is the next thing that I got. It is a lip oil. It's a lip oil. That's what the packaging look like. Honestly, I don't know how to pronounce this brand name. Never heard of it. Yensa, I think. So it has coconut oil, vitamin E oil, rice bran oil, avocado seed oil, carrot seed oil, chai seed oil, black sesame seed oil, flaxseed oil. So it has 8 types of oil in this. This is a nourishing, rich blend of 8 superfood oils. This multitask hydrate lips with a pop of color. So it's a tinted lip oil, gorgeous even color, leave lips with a killer shine. Graceful aging lip nourisher, infused with 8 super oil to hydrate lips. Lightweight, non-sticky texture, deliver antioxidant with superfood, help minimize the appearance of fine lines. So this is a lip oil. I've never used lip oils before. So I'm going to open it up and see what this is. This retails for $28. You could get it from Yensa. I don't honestly know if I'm pronouncing his brand right, so correct me if I'm not. But yeah, you could get it off of their website. Okay, so this is the lip oil. It is a bright pink color. So yeah, I've never used a lip oil before. I can't wait to use this. Oh my god, I'm so weak. Okay. I can't open it. Okay, so I can't open it. So yeah, this can't open it. Okay, so I'm giving it up. I can't open it, but this looks super cool. Yeah, I can't wait to use this. I've never used a lip oil before. It has 8 amazing superfood oils in it, so can't wait to use this. So the next thing that we have is this Dashing Diva Glossy Ultra Shine Gel Palette, and they're just basically stick-on nail thing that you could put on your nails. I've used one before. I've gotten from Target, and they're really cool. They last for at least about a week, depending how rigorous things you're doing with your hands. They can last up to a week. So yeah, this is a really nice, cool design. This retails for $9, so you get it off of dashanddiva.com. So yeah, this is the trying to get the light. I don't know if you guys can see. So this is what the designs are. Really cool. It says it lasts up to 14 days. 34 strips are in there. So yeah, a really cool thing. It shows you how to apply it to your hands. So yeah, I've tried this before, so yeah, I might be trying it. I need to grow up my nails though, to make sure it looks really cute. The next thing that we have is this Purlisse watermelon charcoal purifying cleanser. So this is the Purlisse cleanser. This is one of the full-size products that I received in this June beauty box. Yeah, it says gently cleanse skin, remove makeup, purify and energize for all skin types. So this cleanser is infused with white tea and whole oats to gently wash away dirt, impurities, and makeup in one simple step. This smooth and multitasker leaves skin pure, clean, and free of toxin without stripping the skin of its natural oil. It sounds really cool. Okay. I've never heard of Purlisse, so I'm really intrigued to know how this product works and if it's really good. I think, is it sealed? Yeah, it's sealed, so I really can't smell it. So yeah, can't wait to use this. It sounds like it's really cool. Watermelon and charcoal. That sounds really cool. So yeah, my skin has been really good this past few months. I really have any breakouts. I do have clogged pores, but every week I try to clean them out. But I haven't had any breakouts, and my skin has been looking nice and smooth. So I'll definitely try this. If it doesn't work for me and I break out, I definitely know this is not for me and I probably won't use it, but I will definitely give it a try and see how it works and see if it works on my skin and if it does anything and benefits my skin. But yeah, I can't wait to try this. It sounds really cool. So the next thing that we have, I think this is the last thing that is in my monthly subscription, but I have a free gift to show you guys what I got. So this is the, I can't pronounce this brand. I'm not gonna try to pronounce his name, but this is their this is their gold black pearl eye mask. I really don't use a lot of eye masks, but I'll definitely give this a try. I believe in eye masks. I think they work, but I really don't use it. So yeah, this is what it looks like in the packet. This is like a sample size because then it comes to the one set. So this retails for $60. You get off of Amazon. For the full set, I think it comes with a few more than this. So the full size you can get off Amazon for $60. Yeah, so I can't wait to use this. So the purpose of this, it is rich with black pearl, gold, and rose ingredients. This advanced concentrate essence help improve firmness, smooth fine lines, and reduce puffiness and diminish dark circles for brighter and more youthful looking eyes. So yeah, this is basic eye mask. So can't wait to use this too. Like I said, I'm not really an active eye mask user, but I'll definitely use it. Yeah. So now we're gonna move on to my free gift because, like I said, I purchased this off of Allure itself instead of from Amazon, and with doing so I did receive a free member gift, and this is what I received. They gave me an option and I was like, you know what, choose it for me, surprise me, and this is what I've gotten. I was given. Sorry for my grammar and English. So yeah, this is the Tarte High Performing, I don't know what it is. Oh, so this is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. So yeah, I've never used a Tarte mascara before. The only thing I've used from Tarte is their concealers that came out. I think it was their Shape Tape concealers. Those are really good. And that's the only thing that I've bought from Tarte and I've used and I've loved them. So yeah, other than that, I really haven't bought or used anything from Tarte. And this is a full-size mascara. Can't wait to use it. Love the packaging. It's so cute. This is their gifted, I guess it's called their gifted mascara, Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. Yeah, so can't wait to use this. I love mascaras. So yeah. So it has like a basic one, nothing special about it. Okay, it smells not too bad, and it's black. So yeah, can't wait to use this. I'll tell you guys how I feel about it. Yeah, so that's my free gift. So I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing for Allure. I sure did. I've gotten a lot of stuff for my $15. It was worth it for this month. And yeah, I can't wait to try out these things. I'll definitely let you guys know how I feel about it. You probably might see me use them in other videos. So yeah, if you guys want me to try something out specifically, I'll let you guys know how I feel about it, if it's worth it or not. Let me know in this comment. Let me also know if you guys tried out any of these things and how you guys feel about it too. Definitely will help me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.